Hi everybody, Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa, and today we are cleaning a tribal rug, and it's a very dirty tribal rug, so we're really going to have to get this one wet. I'll just turn the camera around and we'll show you. As you can see, it's an absolutely gorgeous tribal rug. These are notorious for bleeding, and we've just done a couple of tests, and I can honestly say it's not bleeding as bad as I thought it would, but we have got some dye bleed coming through in certain sections. So I could normally just surface clean this, but to be honest, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's absolutely filthy down this one end. And so we're going to submerge this rug. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the rug completely underwater, and then we're going to use an acidic cleaner. We always keep it on the acidic side when we're cleaning these types of rugs. So it's an acidic detergent, and we're going to clean it, scrub it front and back, and then put a lot of water through it, rinse as much of that dye out quickly as possible, roll it, get it in a centrifuge, and then get it as dry as possible, as quickly as possible. possible. We folded it, as you noticed, we folded it lengthways so that it wouldn't actually, when it goes into the centrifuge, you've got, in ours, we've got 125 centimetres circumference. So as long as the rug, whichever way you roll it, doesn't unwind over 125 centimetres, it won't overlap itself. And if it doesn't overlap itself, it can't tattoo. The dye from that bit can't come out onto the fabric of that bit, if that makes sense. So we always roll it where it won't actually, and that's why it made so much noise, because it was only halfway around the actual drum of the centrifuge. So it was slightly unbalanced. I could have done it the other way and it probably would have been a bit more balanced, but it would have tattooed the top of the corner. So we do it that way. I'll show you the rug now and show you the dirty bit and show you how good it's come out. Okay, so here's the rug now. The dirty side. Do you know what? I can't remember which side was the dirty side. It was one of these. Probably this, I think. But as you can see, it's come out really nice. No dye bleed. Lovely, nice white patches in where the whites are. We'll get this hung up now as quick as possible. I'll get the heater on for 5-10 minutes just to dry the surface of the rug. And then we'll put it into the drying room, seal it up and get those dehumidifiers on. Okay, so we're in the drying room. It's the rug now. I'll just turn the camera around and show you what our setup is for the first 5 minutes. So for the first 5 minutes we'll have this heater. It's a very powerful heater and it blasts right into the room. As you can see, we've got a lot of other rugs. We always do this one last. Make sure it's not blowing and touching any of the other rugs. And then we've got some blowers on. We've got 3 blowers in there that's circulating all the air, and then a big dehumidifier. And that takes all the moisture out of the air. And then we've got a door here that zips shut. So I'm going to put heat into this room for about 5 or 10 minutes. What that will do is it'll dry the surface of the rug very quickly. Although these put a lot of moisture into the air, the heat will evaporate the surface moisture on the rug. Then we turn that off and then we close the room and then we pull all the moisture out really quickly with the dehumidifier. And that basically just dries the rug so quick. There's no chance of the dye migrating anywhere. It's also quite dry anyway. So yeah, so this is the rug, looking really nice and clean. Customer's going to be really happy with this. So me, Derek from Arcadia Rug Spa, over and out.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in anything rug related, whether it's rug cleaning, rug repair or rug restoration, or you're simply after some hints and tips, please subscribe to the channel, leave us a like, you can share the video if you want, or best still leave a comment. We love your comments. Thanks for watching.